So, as you know, there's been some criticism of the specific qualifications of some of the recent nominees. I mean, George Souness didn't seem to even know what type of government Norway has, called one of the members of the ruling coalition a fringe element. So I'm wondering, does an ambassador have to have at least some basic knowledge of the country that he is going to?
Well, I think ambassadors go to countries, obviously that's the goal, but the ambassadors go to countries to represent the United States, to be a resource to people on the ground. We've seen those reports, we've all read them, but I would encourage people to give those who have had tougher hearings a chance to go to their countries and see what their tenure will entail, and the judgment can't be made about how effective they'll be or how appreciated they'll be by the government until we have that happen.
So right now, you have the percentage is 37%, which is considerably more political appointees that George Bush had, considerably more than Bill Clinton had. And I'm going through the list. I mean, most of these gave hundreds of thousands of dollars or raised hundreds of thousands of dollars for the Obama campaign. How much does it cost to become an ambassador, to be named ambassador in the Obama administration?
Jonathan, Karl, always a TV question. We don't determine.
Well, it's a serious question. I mean,
I'm not. It is a serious question. We don't name ambassadors from the State Department. The White House names ambassadors, so I would certainly point you to my old colleagues across the street for that. What I was conveying is that from the State Department point of view, there have been many, many political ambassadors, people who have come from a range of histories and backgrounds who've been very successful and worked very effectively in these roles.
But President, if I can just two more on this. But